September BoxyCharm. Yes, I know it is October. It looks like both of my boxes may have gotten lost in the mail, so they just came in today. So I'm gonna get this video done and ready for you so you guys can see what I got. Welcome to Glam Vibes Only. Let's read what we have in here so far. So we have the Farmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. Super excited about this one. I almost bought it, so I'm really excited that I didn't and that I get to try it here. Hip Dot Zion Eyeshadow Palette. Persona Cosmetics Powerbrush. Fenty Beauty, always a favorite. Killawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter. Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub. That sounds amazing. Cuccio Somatology Calm and Clean Lavender Body and Hand Wash. 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, and it's a 5-pack. And then the Clean Skin Club Clean Towels 25-pack. So this is what we have in the Glam Vibes Only BoxyCharm, and this is the BoxyLuxe. So here we go. Here we have it. Let's start to take a look at what's inside. So first things first, right on top, guess what? And it is the original coffee scrub exfoliator for smooth glowing skin with a Robusta coffee, cold pressed sweet almond oil, and vitamin E by Frank Body. Super excited to try this out. Let's open it up. I'm obsessed with coffee, so I'm pretty sure this is right down my alley. Let's take a look at this. Oh, this smells amazing. So it looks literally like coffee. Let's see if we can take a look in there. It looks just like coffee, and it smells so good. All right, I'm definitely trying this in my next shower. This looks amazing. So here it is one more time. Frank Body, this is the original coffee scrub. Next up, we have the Clean Skin Club Clean Towels, cleaner than your towel. So it's a box. It says extremely soft, 100% biodegradable. Welcome to Clean Skin Club. We hope you enjoy the experience of the world's first ever biodegradable, sustainably sourced, and ultra soft face towel. One product, dozens of uses, and the ultimate skin care routine game changer. Let's open this up. Okay, so here we are. We have it opened. You can see that it's full of the little towels. We're going to take one out. I will use it later, not right now. So it said that one side has a rough side, so that would be the textured side here, and that the other side is smoother. So it says that it's good for, let's take a look again. Clean towels are gentle on your skin but durable enough for any use, guaranteed not to tear or shed, and are just as strong when wet. They will wipe away dead skin, excess oil, and makeup with ease. When finished, toss in the trash, toss in the trash, recycling, or even compost them. So here we are. So this is Clean Skin Club, and these are the little towels. So next up, we have Cuccio Somatology. I hope I'm saying that right. It's Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. A new cleansing ritual made to calm the senses, made with lavender oil, pro vitamin B, and shea butter. Apply to hands or body. This looks like it could be super relaxing. Very cool. Okay, so next up, I'm really excited about this one. This is the Farmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream, and it has cherries in it. It says a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles, both of which I need. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area. Clean, fragrance-free formula. It says you can apply in the AM and PM. It's a tiny little container here. Let's see. Oh, there's a lot in here. Oh my god, that smells exactly like cherries. So you can see the consistency in there. It almost looks like it's like whipped, like it has a whipped texture. I'm really excited to try this. I love this brand. I have a face wash, I believe, and some masks from them, and I absolutely love it. This is awesome. It does say that this package was made exclusively for BoxyCharm, but I'm gonna find it in some other places for you guys. Farmacy Beauty. I'm excited to try this one. Stay tuned. We have a little brush in here. So this is by the brand Persona. It looks like a double-ended brush. Can always use new brushes. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh, this is like really soft. So it says one end is blush, so the bigger end is blush. The other end is highlight. So it's a highlight and blush brush. Super soft, and it's pink, so I love it. You know I like pink. So I'll definitely be using this one. I love Fenty Beauty. So excited. I always get super excited when a Fenty Beauty product is here. This is the Killawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo. It looks like we have like a purpley shade and kind of like a lilac. 7-day weekend and poolside. Let's open it up. So pretty. Okay. It is so pretty. Stay tuned for lots of pictures with this one. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm definitely going to be using this one. Fenty Beauty. So next up we have the Hip Dot. This is a pressed pigment palette. I love the packaging. I think this is so cool. Like the look of how the paint is all swirled up. Let's open it. These are some really pretty shades of color. Definitely very fall themed for sure. They're very pretty. I'm definitely loving the oranges and kind of like that lighter coral, purples, pinks, browns. This is a good palette for fall. Very good. Again, it's the Hip Dot Pressed Pigment Palette. And last but not least, we have 111 Skin Harley Street in London Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. It looks like it is a pack of 5. They have some weight to them. Let's see, diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, reinforces and protects skin barrier function, rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin, 24 karat gold enhances skin to brighten and even skin tone. So I'm definitely going to try these out. These seem really interesting. Let's take a look. Yep, so they're all single sheet masks, so there's a couple of, 5 of these in total. Just gives you some directions on here to cleanse before you apply it. It gives you some instructions, leaving it on for 20 minutes. All right, we're gonna try this later. I'm excited. As always, thank you so much for watching today and joining me as I opened up my BoxyCharms. So I am going to be sharing some of these products individually and together on my Instagram. Make sure you check it out and stay tuned for when I use these products to get my reviews on them. Again, this was the BoxyLuxe Glam Vibes Only. Enjoy!